the Live menu. To navigate to the Live menu, right-click to bring up the quick menu and select Main Menu from the bottom of the list, followed by Setup and then Live. This menu allows you to rename your cameras and change your color settings. To rename your cameras, click on the text field and the virtual keyboard will appear. Enter your name by clicking on the letters. When you're finished, press Enter. Remember to apply any changes. To change the color settings, click the Setting button for the channel that you'd like to change the color for. The color bar will appear. You can change your channel with the drop-down menu. And you can change your color settings by dragging the adjustment bar under each heading. You may need to experiment with your color settings to get the picture that you desire. Select the Default button to return your color settings back to their default positions. Select OK to save any changes and return back to the Live menu. And once more, don't forget to select the Apply button to save any changes.